Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you here. It's $3.99. Just hit the red subscribe button. And if you're not new, don't forget to give the thumbs up. If you're new, still give the thumbs up, okay? Make sure your notification bell is turned on. Over here, I do what I consider hybrid budgeting. I do some things like expense tracking in an A5 planner, as well as digital budgeting with my Google Sheets and all the savings challenges, sinking funds, and everything in between. If any of that interests you, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into today's video. I feel so funny because I feel like I haven't been here in my little bubble in a while. I've been doing a lot of tracking this month, which was necessary, but we've been doing pretty good, and let's continue on. So let's close today's video. We're going to be closing out our first paycheck in June because our next paycheck is going to hit on the 28th, probably for me the 27th. But yeah, let's get into closing this out. First things first, this is the check we're working on right here. Let's get to where the check came in. So the paycheck came in here. Now the goal of this is to make sure that all the things that are not bright green, so all this peach, all that off color and the blue, that it cleared. All the things that are already in green will already taken out. Okay, so that if you're new here, you understand. So let's go ahead and go through the statement. These were all things that were already done. So here's a dollar for Navy Federal. So let's find our dollar for Navy Federal. It's right here. So we want to go ahead and make that bright green because it did clear our bank account. Then we have $233.50 for the Nissan. That's half the car payment. I do a split bill payment with that, and that can be green. $23.72. Excuse me. So I moved over $23.72 from my beauty account to pay the credit card, I believe. So let's just go ahead in our transfers and rollovers. We're going to add $23.72. I also moved over $27.80 from bulk buys as well, or household. Then be my guest. So I'm doing a savings challenge with a bunch of lovely ladies. They will be linked down below. And we are doing a June savings challenge. This is it right here. Beautiful savings challenges. It will also be linked down below. It is absolutely 100% free. This is a low budget one for $89, and there's a higher budget one that will also be linked down below. If you're interested, stay tuned. We should be doing another one in July. So if you like these freebies, check the description box. Now, the $7, that's why I'm telling you about it, because $7 was a part of that challenge. Putting the money away into the challenge, which went to Be My Guest account. I'm going to put that in other. So I'm doing negative. We're putting $7 out of the budget in there, and that will be bright green because we did already move that money. Now we have $43.08, which is for the water bill. $43.08, that's an automatic payment. It came out and it's now green. We have $70.67, which is our student loan, and right there, it is now green because it also cleared the account. We've got $105, $51, $150. All of these are bills. Well, this is a bill that was paid to the Capital One. So Capital One, there's the bill right here, $105. I placed it on the Capital One. I paid it when it cleared. So that bill was paid. The $51.52, I believe, is basically these two added together. The 20, well, I'm not 100%, but we're going to find out. The $27.80 plus the $23.72. Yep, $51.52. That's the payment for something that was on the credit card. So we'll just put that under credit card payment. So here's my Capital One, and we made $51.52 to that card. I should have made it equal because I know I probably made other payments. All right, and we'll mark that green for now. Then we have our $150.21, which was another bill. That was the car insurance, and that is got paid and cleared. We've got $25 paid to the Capital One for what? I don't know. So we paid $25 more to Capital One. Oh, girl, no, yes, I do know. That's the phone bill. Phone bill for Visible, $25. It's y'all. Check out my link down below if you're interested in if you own your phone and you're interested in switching to a new provider. Visible is a part of like Verizon. It's been working just fine for me, to be honest. It's unlimited everything. If you're looking to reduce your phone bill, definitely check my link down there. I believe I get some money off and you get $20 off your first bill, means your bill will be $5 if you just got a single phone. Okay. And so my sister sent me some money, and so did I uploaded some money here, 28 from my parents and the remainder from my best friend. So these all went to the, what is this called? The cashless envelope. Cashless envelope. So I'll put those in miscellaneous. So we'll do plus 70 plus 128. And then 128 and 70 came right back out because it went to the cash systems and the cashless envelope systems. What I'll do in this case is most of it was for eating out, so I'll just add that to the eating out category. So I'm going to add 70 and I'm going to add 128. Boom. And then we've got 112. Oh, we got money. Uh, 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 staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so we got money, which is great. Google, shout out to y'all, because y'all know without you guys watching, this money doesn't come in. I be so hyped. I be seeing other people making thousands of dollars, and I'm just be excited about my little $112. Okay, so we're gonna should we address that now? Please hold and let's address that now. All right, guys, thanks for holding. So what I'm going to do with the 112.94 is I'm going to go ahead and transfer that money. Well, I don't want to transfer all that money. So what I want to do is 112, what did I say it was, girl? 112.94 minus 10%, which is $12 basically. $11.29, $12. So we got $12 going to, I need a notepad of some sort. Okay, wow. Can I just get a file new? All right, so let's say we have tithes of $12, and then 112 minus, I think someone said to take 30% for taxes. So that's $33. That's crazy. Anyway, $33. All right, so 112.94 minus 12 minus 33. So we have, and so what I net out to have is 60. You could really just let me be great and show me. No, close that. Cancel. Hold on, Let me get my life together. You can come out, but you don't want to come back in? Okay. All right, so 97. I'm sorry, 67.94. Slow down, Tara. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to move this off the screen. Y'all already saw it. So it's $12 plus 33 needs to go over to, so $45 needs to be transferred. Actually, not transferred. I probably, since I'm here, I'm going to go to YouTube Boss, and I'm going to transfer $67.94, and that's for the YouTube money. Thank you guys again. So I'm transferring that to YouTube Boss. That is going to probably be used for things for my next year's planner and giveaways, as well as there is something going on right now that I need to use that money to ship something out. So that'll be used for that as well. So success on that. Now we need to not transfer. I keep saying that, but I need to Zelle. The balance, which, what did we say was 12 plus 33, $45. And that's for YouTube, tithes, and tax. And that should go over to my, there's a problem, there's no protection. Okay, I understand. Okay, Williams, yeah. Okay. Success, that was done. So that should be in my Ally account, you guys. Okay, so I'm over in my Ally account, you guys, right now. And it shows that I have 47.64 in my core. That includes the 45 I just transferred over. There's some dollar something change in there. So what I'm going to do is in my YouTube, I need to be, let me make this a little bit bigger because I need to see all of it. I would like to distribute. So I'm going to distribute from the core savings to the YouTube tithes. That's getting $12. And since I'm not in church right now and this is what I tithe on, I just save it up till I get a good amount, and then I'm going to give it to probably Pastor Jerry Flowers because I listen to him all the time online. And that's submit. So you see the core account went down some, and then I'm going to select from my core account again to my taxes account and send over the $33 in taxes, submit. And so this little core account has 264, YouTube tithes has 47. Okay, 47. And taxes has 126. And Sam's Club is fully funded at 50. I don't know why that doesn't say 100%. And this is not how it's funded. This is just showing like where the money is allocated to. I don't want to go to goals. So this page, the core saving has a 500. I don't know why, but this doesn't have a goal. And then this has a $540 goal for taxes. Sam Clubs is fully funded. Amazon is almost fully funded. KineMaster is fully funded. And these are my memberships that I'm tracking over here. So I just wanted to tell you guys that's where that money went. So that's been transferred and we can mark that off in green. I am going to add it. Why can't I move my screen, Lord? Okay. I don't want 4. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. That one, what was it again? 112.94 that I got. Let's add that into our YouTube money. 112.94. And we will say that we're just going to say we put it all in YouTube Boss. It just got separated out, and that's fine. And we'll mark that in green to notate that it was done. Now we've got to go $2 to be my guest. Again, that was the same savings challenge I was telling y'all about. I put $2 in there, so it's going to go under other. So we'll add $2 to that plus 2. So $9 went there. Then we've got Comcast for $80. And there it is. It was another automatic payment. We'll make that green, $80. And then we've got Capital One 2714. That was our internet security bill, and that was paid. And then we've got these 2 things we just did, which we already allocated for. So, and that's all of our transactions saying that we have a balance of $18.95. So what I'll do is take this buffer out so we have the correct amount. And there you have it, good people. There's $18.95. Amen. And everything is green, which means we're at a what? Zero-based budget. All of our bills for this first paycheck have been paid. We have $18.95 in the buffer, which matches what we have available in our bank, leaving us with a zero-based budget. Got a zero-based budget. Zero-based budget. Got a zero-based budget. Sorry. I'm not sorry. So $18.95. For now, I think we're going to go ahead and actually color some things in. Let me make myself bigger. Why not? This is the purpose. So I got a 10 and an 8 on here. Fam, done. Right there. Right there. There's a 10. Well, there's a 10 and an 8. I'm about to color those in right quick. Please hold for your girl while she does that. I can't see my color. Boom, shaka laka. Here comes the G rocker. 10. Okay. And wrong way. And 8. Wrong way. Okay. So we're gonna move over $18. Girl, we just moving to $18.95. We ain't even gonna hold you. Okay, it's gonna have an extra 95 cents. Okay. it's all right. So I'm going to transfer over this $18.95 because we literally get paid tomorrow. So ain't nothing coming up. Oh, God willing, something else comes up from here to Be My Guest because that's currently where I'm saving my money. And now that I don't have my guest anymore, $18.95. And this is for our Juneteenth challenge. Oh, what? Say what? Let's do June challenge, girl. Okay. Transfer. Shush. 1895. We're at zero. We're literally at zero. So this 1895 that's here, we're going to put it over in other. So 1895, 27, and we're gonna take this out of the buffer because there's nothing in the buffer now. And we're going to. There was something else I wanted to do and I can't remember, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna change the name, y'all, because I don't. Be our guest. I'm gonna change the name. Where is it? Be my guest. I'm gonna change it to savings. No. Monthly savings. For now. So like the monthly savings challenges. That's what we're gonna call it for now until I can think of something fun. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. If I could actually get this $89 when this month is over, that would be amazing because honestly, what I could use this for, you guys, is I have a Home Depot bill, which is the last of the patio projects credit card charges. That was all the flowers, the plants, the soil, some things, and it's almost like 90 something. Let's call it $100. So if I can get this saved up and done before 7/18, which I think is when that's due, I can use this money to pay that credit card, which would be amazing. Anywho, guys, and we'll talk about these cards and track them another time, but we're at a zero-based budget, and that's what we came here for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear, and not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it, boy.